Hey YouTube, this is Cumin Aviation, back again with another model review, and in today's model review we'll be looking at the 1 to 400 scale Herpa Wings Ecuadorian Jet Cargo Boeing 707-300F. So here is the front of the box here. Here's the side and the back. This is a limited edition model. This is the information about the airline or the model company. So both of it is written in German and English. And this is a catalog number 560573. And yeah. Now I don't know about this airline a bit, but I think this was an airline back in the 80s and 90s. This is a cargo version of this airline. And yeah, this is my very first ever 707 model made by Herpa, so yeah. And I really do like this gold feature on here. It looks really, really nice. Let's look a bit closer. Here you have the tail fin here. Looks pretty accurate. There is a bit of scuff marks on here. But I bought this at the aviation convention, so yeah. But all in all, it looks pretty nice. The gold feature on this looks really good, as well as the yellow, green, dark blue, pink, orange, red stripes on here. Looks pretty nice. Looks really, really detailed. And this is the registration number. This is Hotel Sierra Bravo GP. Here are the wings. It's plastic, so if you're buying this one, then be careful, because you don't want to break the wings because it's like plastic. But yeah, this is actually a pretty cool looking model. And here's the back, or the bottom of the aircraft. The engines are detailed perfectly, accurate to the actual 707 model. Now, the only model that I have for like this type of scale, I think, is the Egypt Air Boeing 707 that I have, and that was my very first model. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much about it for this video. If you do so, please leave a like, as well as subscribe, comment down below. And yeah, so stay tuned for more unboxings like this, and peace.